This is the custom Moziaco mosaic, installed, routed, looks amazing. All right guys, today's the day we're gonna set this amazing, beautiful looking custom mosaic. Comes in this custom made wood box with a little latch. All right, here we go. Look at that. Nice, beautiful mosaic here. It's custom made. It's supposed to look like this. We're just gonna use this as our little map here. I like the way these are mounted. Looks like they're mounted really, really well. So you wanna have a really flat floor so that these little tiles don't pick up any imperfections. So yesterday we mud floated it to get it level. It was recessed about 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches. This is an 1/8 inch thick, so I depressed the new mud 1/8 inch below this, so it'd be a nice flush level fix. If you want to see how I did that, you can go ahead and watch this video. I'll put it in the link. Shows you exactly what I did to level it out and make it perfect. Let's go ahead and dry lay it right here. Let's see how it fits width-wise, and they fit really well. Let me dry lay it all first and see what it's gonna look like. I just want to get a general feel for it before we make up our thin set. So yeah, it fits real nice. I'm gonna go ahead and move these and get the thin set ready, and we will start sticking them. Since this is a glass mosaic, we needed a super upgraded thin set, hence the Keraflex Super. That is free, guys. Anyways, I usually use something really upgraded like a Laticrete Platinum thin set, which is very strong. But I heard this one might even be a little stronger. If not, it's very comparable to it. But the benefit of this one is it's very smooth, extra smooth. It literally is. If you've used Platinum thin set by Laticrete, it's very gummy, very thick, kind of hard to work with. This feels just like a normal, regular, smooth thin set. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this guy up. Got our bucket saver here. If you don't know what it is, I'll put a link in the description to another video I made about it. I'll also put a link in the description to a code for 10% off. It's a great product. So we're gonna use 1/8 inch V-notch trowel. Very nice there to keep the mosaic really close to the floor. So I like to dry lay it on top of the adjacent piece and just gently pull it down, and you'll see it drop right into place. There it is. Beautiful fit. Okay, gonna compact it a little bit, make sure we get a really good bond. I do see thin set popping out there. It's okay. I'd rather have it have a really good bond than to be too loose. There we go. Those are in. Let's get this a little closer up top here. There we go. You don't want to be able to see that it was in pieces. So make sure wherever they're connecting, it's tight enough so the joints go away. So it'll look like I put this all in fresh individually. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. So I am gonna clean this middle one with a sponge and a brush because I won't be able to reach it once I set the last row. I can reach all the edges, but I won't be able to reach this middle one. Let's see, there we go. Perfect, look at that. Thin set there, brush it different directions since the joints are going all over. And now we have it low enough for grout to fit in there. We're using a white grout, bright white. It's gonna really make all these colors pop. All right guys, here is the finished product. This is the custom Moziaco mosaic, installed, grouted, looks amazing. This lighting is better because over here, you see the sun coming, so it's pretty bright, but hopefully you can see it really well. It's a great product to work with, but man, that looks great. That looks really, really good. Really good. All right guys, so that's a wrap here. I hope you enjoyed the process. Hope it was helpful for you. If you have any questions at all, Let me know in the comments. Go ahead and check out all the links in the description for you. Like and subscribe. It really helps the channel get seen by other people. Until next time, talon, my friends.